Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Tonight I am working on a new machine that I just picked up. I'm pretty excited because this is one of my Grail games and I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. This is Bally Embryon, and it showed up for sale in my area at a pretty good price. I got a chance to play on it and it played fine. There was a few things I noticed. A little bit of wear right here. There's some significant wear up here, and one of the drop targets was broken. I didn't notice anything else, but I didn't give it a thorough once-over. The back glass is in really, really good shape. So packed it up, moved it. It was about a 2-hour drive with my vehicle. When I got back, the right flippers, both of these right flippers stopped working. And I'm still not quite sure what the problem was. I did discover one problem. There was a fuse underneath the playfield, a fuse holder, which was in really bad shape. Where is that? It was right here. This, you could see it was starting to fall apart, and it was all corroded on the inside. So I replaced that fuse holder, thinking it would fix the flippers, but it didn't fix the flippers, but it did fix some of the other coils. This game came with a manual, but the schematics are not in it. So I didn't have the schematics. So I'm going to have to look up and find out where what's up with the right flipper. Both of the flippers, the upper and the lower flipper, are not working when we turn the game on. We can turn it on and get a quick little look at it so far. I don't know if the balls are in it or not. So it boots up and it has sound. The sound is kind of quiet. I think the volume control needs to be cleaned. But when you start a game, so it kicks the ball out. The left flippers work, but the right flippers don't. And I've measured, and there's 50 volts on the coils. So something's broken somewhere, and it must have happened during transport. So I'm going to, at this point, and the other stuff seems to work, but I'm going to put LEDs in this and make it look really, really nice. But for right now, not very helpful when the right flipper doesn't work, both of the right flippers. So until I get a look at the schematics and see where the wiring goes, I did look underneath the playfield for anything out of place. I couldn't find anything. And I get power at the coils, so I need to find out where the rest of the wiring goes that links them. So stand by. In the next part, I will go over what I discover in trying to find what's wrong with the flippers. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.